life, spent all of her life, so afraid to speak her mind. It's a shame, 'cause of what really mind she has, and now she's being introduced to confidence. She doesn't see that she's bothering on her again. When will she learn to come back to the middle? He's a young black man, grow up without his father, and now, he falls into his hands to protect his mother. 'Cause if he doesn't, well then who will? His other brothers lives and feed everything, especially trying to fill his father's shoes, respectively. They go on through its masculine and feminine, chasing dreams, but they keep on falling, 'cause they don't drill no balance. Well, we will learn to come back to the middle. Come back, come back, come back to the middle. Come back, come back, come back to the middle. You must take the good with the bad, and you might eat the one. Sometimes you fly, and sometimes you fall. Easy anyway to avoid the pain, but it's getting better. How you will learn. Come back, come back, come back, come back to the middle. Come back, come back, come back to the middle. Come back, come back, come back to the middle. Come back, come back, come back to the middle. Come back, oh, come back, come back to the middle. Come back, yeah, come back, oh, come back to the middle. Come back, come back, come back to the middle.